So a lot of the panels that we make, probably 70%, our customers choose to have us put the zip sheathing on the outside. It's a Huber zip product, and you can Google that and find out more information. The zip basically replaces having to put a Tyvek or a house wrap on your house. It's a water permeable, non-permeable membrane that's applied on the outside, and we can pre-make the panels with this on it. A couple things I wanted to point out is the seams where this meets. So when we put your panels together, if this is not super tight, that's fine. That's normal. That's how it should be. The piece of the zip is actually not 4 feet wide. It's made specifically to have somewhat of an expansion gap in it, so that's completely normal, and that's how it'll look. Then you apply the zip tape. So we do not send that with our package because you can buy it cheaper locally. You can get it at Lowe's or Home Depot or even Amazon has it. And so that tape is applied over this seam. You see this roll the tape. So important note, it says roll the tape. Zip tape has a special roller that they recommend. They don't just they demand that you use. A lot of people, I've seen them just put it on with their hand. That's fine. Here's the deal. That little roller actually imprints a little Z on that seam. And should you ever have a warranty claim, the first thing they're going to check is if they see that little Z on that tape. So get the roller, put it on like you're supposed to. This zip is a really good product. A lot of our customers choose to use it, and we're proud to install it on our panels at Eco Panels of Tennessee.